In this video today, we're going to show you how to take the door off your Bosch oven. So right now the door is off because it's easier to show you the bits that get clipped in. So if you have a look here, these are the hinges here. And can you see this little cutaway bit here? And also just here as well. Well, they're the bits that slot into the bottom bit just here and also here as well. And we have these little bits that when it's back in, these are going to fold over to lock it back into place. So we're going to locate this and this into these big holes. And then you need to make sure that the oven itself, this part, has locked into these bits here. Right, so now they've located into place and you can lock these things over. So we have them on both sides and they just push down and this one pushes down here and locks in. And that is the oven door back on. And now we're going to show you how to remove it. So you open it up and we're just going to fold over these things. Like so. Now this is a brand new oven. Obviously your one will probably be caked in stuff, so they might be a bit hard to move. And now we're going to lift the door up until you see these bits here. They need to kind of go back into the hole, like so. And you have to try to lift it up and out. Because remember, you've got the metal bit in the notch. And there you go, you can see it's out now. And now we're just going to pop it back in. So this is useful if you want to get into different parts to clean it. And lock them in. Now, say again, this is a new oven, so it will be harder on your one, but that is how you do it on this Bosch oven here. Thanks for watching.